Hello, my name's Ian Downs and I work for Wakefield Museums and Castles, and I'm recording this quick video to give you an introduction to my garden and my other interest, which is gardening, and how it combines my day job working for the Museums and Castles team. I have in my garden a large collection of useful plants. Some of those are herbs, a lot of those are fruit and vegetables. Quite a few of them were popular in the medieval period, so I've combined the two interests. And we'll have a look very quickly at some of the plants we might feature later on. That's a valerian there. It's often used as a sleep treatment. It's a form of horseradish. You've used for that on your beef sandwiches. This is a type of sorrel. I've used sorrel soup, which is quite nice. Got a slightly acidic tang to it. Salad burnet for in your salads. This is an interesting plant. Ale-cost. It's got white daisy-like flowers, and it's called ale-cost because it was put in ale when ale was often made using herbs. Its leaves smell vaguely minty. It's not really what you expect. Nice, unusual medieval herb. Pulmonaria. Historically, it was used to treat lung conditions. I don't think there's any use for that these days, but it was thought to be useful in treating lung conditions because if you cut open a lung, it looked almost identical to the pattern on the leaves. And here's another interesting ancient plant. This is soapwort, and it's called soapwort because it makes a lather, and it can be used to wash your clothes like soap. You just literally rip off great chunks of it, and you shouldn't really be afraid of doing that because it's a pest. It grows like you wouldn't believe. And you put that in your water, scrunch it up, and you'll get a fine lather. And as a bonus, in a couple of months' time, it'll be covered in pink and white flowers. I grow all sorts. This one isn't old. You may recognise it as a plant from in your borders. It's a hosta, and hosta leaves can be used in salads. In particular, the fresh green shoots that come up at this time of year. So that's the garden. As you can see, I spend quite a bit of time out here when I'm not at work. And those are the herbs and useful plants, and up at the top are the fruit trees and the veg borders, but we'll maybe have a look at those some other time.